So that is Hallgrimsson speaking about 18-year-old footballer in Jamaica. Did Hallgrimsson identify another gem in Jamaica? We don't know. Anyways, we're going to touch on that. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you are here for the first time, would really appreciate it if you guys do so. So let's touch on it. So Hallgrimsson played a game versus Montego Bay United, and as he said, you heard in the interview, the number 29, very clever, very interesting player, such and such and such, just 18-year-old. You guys just listen to it. Who is that player? That's the question. And did Hallgrimsson technically identify this player? All right, let's first, let me just see if I can just showcase this player to you guys so you guys can see who he is. So that is 18-year-old Leo Campbell. He was playing in 29, but on a normal match for Montego Bay United, he wears the number 11. Number 11? Yeah, I think it's the number 11. Yes, he wears the number 11 on a regular match day. He wears the number 11. So he plays for Irwin High School. Last Dakota Cup season, scored 10 goals, registered 2 assists. He's now the striker for Montego Bay United. Just scored out like 1 goal and maybe a few assists so far this season. But nonetheless, he is a very, very good young player. Now, one of his handlers, good friend of mine, Sanjay, I've been speaking about this player since during schoolboy football season. Not many persons listen because it's MG Sports overhyping another schoolboy footballer. But when you hear it from the head coach, when you hear it from someone different, specifically holding the post of head coach, maybe that might have a bit of merit to it. So he is a very, very talented young man. As I said, his name is Leo Campbell. It's about 5'7", 5'8". He's not the most, he's not physically built, but he's very, very quick, very, very talented, very skillful, technically gifted, use both foot, left and right foot. Can play attacking midfield as well. Right wing, left wing, and centre forward. So he has a lot to his game. As I said, 18-year-old. And if Hallgrimsson sees something very interested in him, it must mean that there's something there. The talent is there. Now, so far this season, not saying that this is actually, I think this is his first Premier League season. It's not the best of season, but he's actually held in his own. As you heard from Hallgrimsson, he likes the player. He likes what he see. He likes what he saw from the player. And also, he asks about the player. So that's interesting. If Hallgrimsson going to ask about the player, what does that mean? It means that there is something interesting about the player. Now, when I was speaking about this player, it is just MG Sports overhyping yet another schoolboy footballer. So, as I said, where merit is concerned, since Hallgrimsson has not mentioned him, I'm just highlighting it back to you guys. I know many of you guys didn't even listen to that part of the interview, so I'm bringing it back to let you guys know that there are things happening in Jamaica. There are players, young players in Jamaica who's here that many of us are not actually seeing these players. So, the initiative that Hallgrimsson took in going around the country, playing against all these other teams, and also having a look at these other teams, it certainly means that he's on some sense of talent identification movement as well, which I believe is very, very good from many, many different perspectives. Leo Campbell was also a part of the schoolboy football. It was the showcase, the big showcase that went on. He was actually well liked by many, many of the scouts, for the colleges. So let's see how this one materializes. So let's keep an eye. I'm definitely gonna keep an eye on him. So I give you guys any little movement so you guys know what's going on with this player in particular. But as I said, people, is a very, very interesting player. Really, really good player. Technically gifted. Very fast. Extremely fast. Very quick. As I said, not the biggest of build, but really, really skillful and nippy. Yeah, I think that's the right word. Nippy player. Turn, twist all over the place. But interesting to see. Big up on yourself, people. As I think he's another top talent in Jamaica that definitely deserves a bit of highlight. So big up on yourself, people. I'll see you guys again until next time. MG Sports TV. Big up yourself, Leo Campbell. Go and put in work. Don't know, your time will be coming at any given moment. So people, we'll see you guys again until next time. MG Sports TV. God bless. All right. Boom.